Can you believe this is what your car started out as? In today's video, we're checking out how a massive steel coil turns into a car body. This is the stamping shop, one of the big 4 steps in car manufacturing. A solid car starts with solid materials. For first-tier Volkswagens, we use high-grade galvanized steel sheets coated on both sides. They're sourced from big names like Baosteel and Shogang. The first step in stamping is uncoiling and measuring. What you're seeing now is an automatic cutting system made by Schuler, a top German brand. Right now it's feeding in the steel, kind of like how toilet paper unrolls. Same idea. First, they trim the rough edges off the coil. Wondering what happens to the scraps? We'll get to that. Once that's done, the transfer bridge drops and the real process kicks off. Since the steel is rolled up tight, the next thing they do is flatten it out. Now here's something cool. You probably haven't seen this before. And yeah, it's the kind of thing you'll bring up every time someone mentions cars. They remove the center conveyor and let the steel sheet drop and hang in midair. This helps relieve tension in the metal and makes it easier to cut cleanly. Next up, different dies are used to slice the sheet into parts for the car body. After cutting, the machine stacks everything up automatically. This is what we call a semi-finished part. Can you guess what part of the car it is? Once stacked, an overhead crane lifts the sheets and sends them to the stamping line. That crane, made by a Chinese company? Actually, no. It's a stamping line built by Müller-Weingarten from Germany. There are 4 of them here, plus one more from Jinan Second Machine Tool, a Chinese brand that's starting to catch up. Now it's time to shape the steel. A KUKA robot picks up each piece and places it on the conveyor. For top-tier Volkswagens, we use a 5 or 6-step stamping process. Word is, some other brands still stick with the older 4-step method. This particular line is an 8,100-ton press from Müller-Weingarten. Stamping's pretty simple in theory. 2 heavy molds press the sheet into shape. Here's how the process breaks down. Step 1. Drawing. This shapes the basic part, like a door panel. Step 2. Trimming. Cuts off any excess metal along the edges. Step 3. Punching. Those clean holes? This is where they're made. Step 4. Another trim. It cleans things up again after punching. Step 5. Flanging. Just like folding over the edge of a shirt.